Hi everyone.
Hello, ano?
I am oyster.
Hi.
Hi. Let's eat oyster. Oh my god. Couple weeks from now, I can have unlimited oyster for a cheap price.
Wow.
I can even go where they grow the oyster and get it from there.
Wow.
Yeah. But now, let's just settle for this.
Hi.